Oxidation state is nothing but the residual change in your element. Like you know that freely existing state, any element will be having the oxidation state to be 0. And actually here the compound is given to be metaphosphoric acid. The formula is going to be HPO3 N times. Like here the phosphorus which has a variable oxidation state, it varies from +3 to +5. And the question is the maximum oxidation state which is exhibited by phosphorus. So you know the electronic configuration of phosphorus, it is neon 3s2 3p3. So to reach the neon, if it gives 5 electrons, it reaches the neon configuration. So the maximum oxidation state which is exhibited by phosphorus is +5. Now let us find out. So we can substitute X for P. You know hydrogen to be 1 and oxygen to be -2. So X plus 1 minus 6 is equal to 0. X is equal to +5. So in the following options, if you take the fourth option which shows +5, so therefore option 4 is right. Oxidation state. Oxidation state is nothing but the residual change which is happening in an element. So it can be either plus or minus. It depends upon whether the element is going to lose electrons or gain electrons. Accordingly, the oxidation state of an element will change. For example, in the question they're asking you to find the oxidation state of sulfur. H2S2O8 is the compound given. So let us draw the structure and then calculate the oxidation state of sulfur. Normally if I put X for sulfur and then calculate, I will be getting +7 as the oxidation state, which is violating the rule because S can exhibit maximum of +6 only. Now let us consider the each oxidation state of element. Oxygen, here in this linkages it is -2 and hydrogen +1, and peroxide linkage it is always -1. Again here it is -2, -2, -2, and hydrogen is going to be +1. And again if I substitute sulfur in the place of sulfur to be X, and then if I calculate, I'll be getting +6 oxidation state. Among the four options, in the first option which shows +6, and therefore the option 1 is right. Oxidation state again, which states that any oxidation state it can be either plus or minus. Here the question they're asking you to find for halogens. So let us consider halogens: fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Fluorine always exhibits -1 only because it has only K and L shell, and S and P only, so therefore it cannot exhibit. Whereas chlorine can exhibit -1, +1 and +3. Whereas bromine, it can exhibit -1, +1, +3 and +5. Whereas iodine, it is the maximum. Like iodine can exhibit the maximum -1, +1, +3, +5 and +7. Since it exhibits maximum oxidation state as per the following options, and 3 which shows D, so therefore option 3 is right.